Hello everyone and welcome to Baking Journey channel. In this video we want to make an English muffin toasting bread together. This bread is very easy to make and is a good option for breakfast. The inside of this bread is very soft and tender, and the outer layer of this bread is golden brown in color. To start, we choose the right container and combine the dry ingredients. Dry ingredients include flour, sugar, salt, yeast, and baking soda. The values of all the ingredients are given in the description below of this video. The recipe of this bread is very easy and everyone can make this bread with excellent quality at home. After you have combined the dry ingredients together, it is time to combine the water, oil, and milk together in a separate container. Make sure that the container you use for this is a container that can be put it in the microwave, because we have to bring the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius after combining these ingredients. The temperature of the desired liquids is very important at this stage, because if the temperature is low, the action of the yeasts will be delayed, and if the temperature is too high, the yeast will be destroyed and the bread will not be made. Now we add the mixture of heated liquids to our flour. We combine the ingredients with a whisk so that no dry flour remains and the dough is formed. Now transfer the dough to a floured board and get ready to knead it. At the beginning of the work, the dough is very sticky and sticks to your hands and the work surface. Be careful not to add any flour to the dough at this stage and continue kneading. At this stage, collect the dough stuck to the workboard like a film with a suitable tool and continue kneading. Continue kneading the dough until it becomes elastic and no longer sticks to the workboard, and shape it into a bowl using a suitable tool like the one in the video. After resting the dough for 15 minutes, lightly flour the work surface and transfer the dough to the floured work surface, and start shaping the dough to put it in the mold as shown in the video. Before transferring the dough to the mold, grease the mold and sprinkle the entire surface with corn flour. This will prevent the dough from sticking to the mold after baking and after the bread is ready, and it will be easy to remove from it. Now transfer the dough to the mold and let it rest for an hour, making sure to cover the dough to prevent it from drying out. After an hour, we see that the dough has increased in volume, and it is time to put it in a preheated oven at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the bread for 22 to 27 minutes till it's golden brown. Remove the bread from the oven and after 5 minutes turn it out of the pan onto a rack to cool. Let the bread cool completely before slicing. Now your delicious bread is ready for a great breakfast. Enjoy your meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and support me by liking and commenting. Thank you.